How to create a Spotify account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can create yourself a Spotify account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar type in Spotify sign up. As you do so, you will see sign up at the first search result. Tap open it and here tap on to sign up. Now at this page, you can either enter your email address or sign up with your Google account. Tap on any one of it. At this page, type in your name, your date of birth, your gender, then tap on to next. Once you do so, at step 2 of 2, check this box and tap on to sign up. And just like so, this is how you can create yourself a Spotify account. If you tap onto settings and tap onto profile, it will give you all the details of your profile that you just created. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.